Just wait. Take him! Welcome back, guys, to another one. Just got the Johnnies here. We're gonna be pulling up here in a minute. We are going down to hunt with my buddy Joe Mahal today. We got invited down there. It's about a 45-minute drive from John's house. He said there's been quite a few birds in the field, flying over and in the field, so we're gonna hop in Will's truck, convoy down there, and we should have a pretty good shoot here this morning, so I'm really excited. Been trying to hunt with Joe for a while. Things finally worked out this morning, so me, Will, and John rolling down. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, welcome back. We just got set up in the field here. We've got roughly 90 decoys, I think, today. It's a pretty good spread. I think we're shooting with, I don't know, 10, 15 guys. Right here we have a sod field behind us, and we're in just kind of like a hay field right here with the decoys in. So apparently there's a roost not too far from here, so these birds should be coming pretty soon. There is a creek to our left here. There was some ducks in it. I'm not sure if it's froze over now, so we'll see what happens, but stick with us, boys.
I can use some more down here.
Alright. Here they come. Everybody stay down, heads down. Hold on. Just wait. Take him! Dang, my goodness. Alright, let's kill these two quick.
There's one out there. Oh,
yeah.
There's three getting away.
Hang on, Will. I'm gonna kill these two. Hang on. Jeez. You got a band? Yeah, buddy. We'll have to draw for that unless somebody knows they shot it.
I don't think anybody knows what they shot.
Both birds that I shot at.
Were they pretty far up this end though? Like, were you guys really shooting across?
Kind of, but it wasn't that bad.
They were? Okay. We probably could have waited another couple seconds, but they did it. Next time, if they're gonna land, we'll just let them land.
I'm telling you, it's all in our calling, Joe.
Yeah, it was
All right, guys, we just shot our first flock. They worked pretty good, right, Joe?
Yeah.
They came in from our, I don't know, I guess that's north, but they worked pretty good. They circled once or twice, and honestly, we probably could have got those birds to land, I think.
Oh, they were gonna land.
We could have waited another couple seconds, but sweet. Good start to the morning. And we shot a freaking band, so that's awesome. Yeah, we shot a band. It's over here. So we'll have to draw for that.
So yeah, if you guys need a outfitter, hit us up, Honker Patrol out of Great Meadows, New Jersey. We supply Pop-Tarts.
Shameless plug right there. Coming around, stay down. Wait. Kill him! Hold on, we might get that one to come around. Alright, we're good.
Once they're on the ground, just let them be for a little bit.
Do you see any more quick before we go crazy? Shoot that one before it gets away.
Before you get toward the house.
Yeah, boy, he's smaller bird. That's awesome though. That is awesome. We might shoot him on the flyover.
Hi, there. Look, they're coming in.
Nobody move. Kill him! Dang.
Stop shooting!
That was a good one, right?
Solid day so far.
We're probably pretty close to a limit here, boys. Alright guys, so we have killed 13 geese. It's 9:30 maybe, so we just had a nice flock of I think 5 or 6 come in and work real nice. They circled 2 or 3 times and then landed right out in front of us. And we dusted them, so pretty jacked about that. Like I said before, we do have 1 band. And we can kill 9 more now. So we did think one that went down out there, Johnny's out there, and he's gonna see if he can find that, but if he does, that'll make 14 birds. So far, good morning. They're still flying, and we're still hunting.
He's looking for a spot. Nope. No, that wasn't as bad as the last time.
Do it again.
How far did you have to go for that one, Johnny?
The back corner.
Was it on water?
It was on water. There's a little pond
So
in the
how'd
back.
you get it off?
Well, I shot, it started to fly up away from me and it was bad. I shot it in the back and it went down. Waited for it to swim towards shore. Then I shot it in the head.
Shot it in the head.
It's a heck of a story.
Too bad you can't hit him well.
But it was definitely moving.
I just hit it 3 times.
10. There's 10.
You ready?
Yep.
11. Ken gets it.
That's me.
No, you get the bird. Now the band goes up.
The next one was you, Will. What? Next one was you. Yeah. That's right, he was sleeping, so we'll do it again. Alright guys, so we're cleaning up now. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, I think. We had a pretty good day. We did see a couple big groups come off in the distance again, going back to the roost possibly, I think is where they were going. But we think that's probably all the birds that we're gonna see today, at least right now. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish wrapping everything up here, take some photos of the birds, and run over and get some food because we are hungry. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate that. And if you haven't liked this video, stick around for more.